So you want to know how to make money online? Today I will tell you about the genuine and best ways to make money online. There are many ways to earn online from internet. You have also heard to online money making scams, but most of the ways which I will provide to earn money from the web will never force you to invest money. These days most of the people are still unaware about making money online. They are just looking for usual ways, including jobs and offline businesses. I'm not saying they should not do their job and businesses, but my motive is to make people aware about online money making methods. In long term, make money online methods can be a huge source of income and you can run it as an online business. Whether you are a salaried person, student, housewife, teacher, or in another profession, with proper information, you can easily make some side income to pay your bills. Especially college going students should try online money making methods. It can help them in paying their college fees and internet bills. And one most important thing, which I know you surely want to know, is how much one can earn from the internet. I can say that you can earn limitless on the internet. Internet is a new gold mine. All you need to have some required skills, patience, and hard work. If you are thinking that earning money from the internet is easy, then you are totally wrong. You have to work hard and must have learning attitude in order to make a decent living from internet. There are many people around the world who are making huge income from the web. There are some earning stats in $1 million per month. You cannot believe how much huge income can be earned just by working on computer. Now without wasting any time, I will move further and tell you about the best ways to make money online. Now first way is blogging. Blogging is the best way to make money online. But if you jump in the blogging arena just to make money, then it will be a time waste. It is because blogging is a profession. You need many important skills to do well in blogging. Some of the skills include writing skill, SEO, web designing and some other skills. I will give you an example to make you understand about the concept of make money blogging. I will start with basics. There are several websites and blogs running on the web. Why they are working on their online businesses or websites? Probably they will be surely earning from their blogs. Whenever you visit any blog or site, you will surely find some advertisement running on it. These ads are Google ads. The owner, the website will earn from these Google ads. Whenever somebody click on these ads, blogs, websites with great amount of traffic will enjoy the high AdSense earning. In blogging field, showing AdSense ads on the blog is the most common way to monetize the blog and make money online. AdSense earning depend upon cost per click, click-through rate and cost per thousand impression. One of the most important thing about AdSense is to earn from it. Your blog should have as much as traffic possible. If your blog have decent traffic and most of its visitors are USA, UK, Canada, then you can easily earn a decent amount of income to make a living from the internet. Whatever do you do after starting a blog, you have to be patient as it takes some time to grow traffic. Most of the newbie blogger just get disappointed in early stage and leaves the blogging. In blogging, you have to work hard first without expecting anything and you will get fruitful results later. Now after blogging, another way of making money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another one of the best way to make money online and without any investment. Before jumping into affiliate marketing arena, you should have a blog focused in a particular niche and some decent amount of targeted traffic. If you are an authority or influencer in your niche, then it will be a big plus point while recommending affiliate products to your blog readers. If you do not know about affiliate marketing, I will give you a brief point of view about it. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending high quality products and services to your blog readers or clients and receive a fixed commission while a sale is made from your affiliate link. If you have not got it, I will elaborate it further. There are several affiliate products available in every niche. For example, web hosting companies provide a high amount of affiliate commission on their sale. If you have a blog related to web hosting and readers are interested in it, then you can publish genuine hosting review and coupons and recommend to them. Affiliate banners can be put in the sidebar. On every sale from your blog, you will get your affiliate commission. In this blog niche like health, Android, lifestyle and others, you will surely find some decent products which you can recommend to your reader and earn a commission. You can find the appropriate affiliate products for your particular niche blog in Commission Junction and ShareSale. These two are the most popular affiliate advertising companies. There are some other companies which are running their affiliate program. It includes Amazon and eBay. Make sure you choose relevant products from this affiliate program. Amazon runs one of the biggest affiliate program which includes products in several categories like mobile phone, books, clothes, laptops and many others. Now another way is design and sell WordPress themes. WordPress is the one of the most popular content management system. WordPress based blog always require a perfectly coded and designed WordPress themes. If you are providing the theme according to the user's need and at affordable price, then it will be an easy money making opportunity for you. All you need to have some web designing skills including CSS, HTML, PHP and Photoshop. If you have knowledge about these subjects, then you can easily make perfectly coded themes. See, if you have good knowledge about Genesis framework, then you can design customer Genesis child themes for your clients. Genesis client child themes can be easily sold as it is very popular among bloggers and webmasters. Also, you can sell your custom web design service from your blog. You can create a blog around web development topics or WordPress and can sell the WordPress theme customization service. You should publish articles around the topic for which you are giving the service and targeting visitors come and can buy your service. Now another way is SEO services. SEO seems to be complex subject to most of the newbies. Even one of my friend asked me a question what SEO means. I just tell him that it is a process of increasing visibility and traffic of website blog from search engines. There are several companies and big brands which are ready to invest a sum of money just on search engine optimization of their website. As you that most of the business are going online. You can order almost everything online, even restaurants, small retail stores, hotels, and almost every small business want a website today. Do you know why they want a website for their business? As a website represent their online identity and they can get customer from their business online. So they need to invest on SEO in order to get customers from their website. If you are an SEO expert and know the techniques to grow the online business of any brand, then you can earn a huge sum of money from SEO service. For this, you have to show the result to the company. Before providing your own SEO services, I recommend you to get some experience by working in a SEO company, or you can work on your blog and learn SEO at your own. An SEO expert with good reputation can easily earn $5,000 for a 1 week project. You can also provide SEO service from your blog. For this, you can start a blog SEO niche and start writing some high quality, practical and actionable articles. Now another way is freelancing. Freelancing is in great trend these days. By freelance we means that a person is self-employed. Do you want to do freelance jobs? There are many freelance jobs available in almost every field. Freelancing is all about renting your skills. If you have any skill like writing skills, SEO, web designing, marketing, accounting, business, translation and languages, data entry, WordPress, and many more. There are some of the big websites like freelancer.com where potential employers post jobs and you can choose and apply for job accordingly. You can register at this freelancer website and you will get call and email from the employers when they will find your profile suitable for their freelance job. There are so many great opportunities available at these websites. All you need to make an attractive profile. If you have a prior experience in, then it will be a plus point. If you are just started your first blog and want to make money, it will be very difficult to earn money in starting stage. So what should you do to pay your bills? Probably a blogging person can easily go for freelancing job, including writing articles, SEO, WordPress, related tasks, and some other. You can easily earn money in starting stage of blogging just by doing freelance. Now next is sell photos. If you are a good photographer and have a brilliant photography skills and knowledge, then you can sell your photos online and make money. But remember, your clicked photos should have some excellent photography skills. In other words, the photos you want to sell must be excellent. There are many websites available for selling photos online. Some of the top players are Shutterstock, Photolia, and many others. If you love traveling around the different places around the world, never forget to take some beautiful and unique photos. You can sell these photos online and get money. Media and advertisement companies are always looking for decent quality photos for their online and offline ad campaigns. If you want to do it professionally, then you can create a dedicated website for your photos and do some marketing for selling it.